Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to sort data in Power Query. Let me open the data that we are going to work today. So today we are going to work on customers data. We have a lot of columns in that, and this data is from AdventureWorks 2020. Let me open the Power BI. So I have connected the customers data in Power BI and I opened the Power Query editor. In Power Query Editor, I have selected customers data. Over here, you can see all the columns that was there in the Excel file. But today, for working, we need only few columns. Let me select those. Name, birth date, yearly income, name, birth date, yearly income, and occupation. So these four columns are necessary for our session today. I am going to remove other columns. So now, when it comes to sorting, you can sort the data either based on ascending order or in descending order. You will be working mostly on three different types of data, that is text or number or date. When it comes to ascending order, text can be sorted in the range of A to Z. When it comes to number, it's small to large, or in date, it's oldest to newest. When it comes to descending order, text can be sorted from Z to A, or number in the form of highest to lowest, or date in the format of newest to oldest. These in these ways we can sort the data. So over here, you can see the name column is represented as text and birth date is represented as date and yearly income as numeric and occupation again it as text. So you can sort the data in two ways. Either you can click on the drop down and click sort ascending or sort descending, or you can select the column under the Home tab under the group called Sort. You can click either Sort Ascending or Sort Descending. In these two ways, you can sort the data in Power Query Editor. So, sort can be applied either for one column or range of multiple columns. So, first, let's sort the data by name. So if I click on sort ascending, so this is how it looks. So you can see all the data is sorted and everything starts from A, all together it goes to Z. So that's how the data has got sorted. And if I click on descending, so same data, again it gets sorted by descending. If you see now the first record started with Z, so it keeps on going. Now, if you apply the same concept to birth date, if I click on ascending, now you can, before applying that, I would like to remove the sort that I have applied before. To do that, click on the drop down and click clear sort. Now, if you have applied ascending order on top of birth date, you can see the first record as Gabriel James, who is the oldest person working in the organization, followed by some other records. So, in a way, these records are now sorted based on birth date for the customer's data. So, management can identify who is the oldest person in our organization. So if you want to do the same by for descending, click on birth date and click the descending option. Now you can see who is the youngest person working for our organization, who is Logan Anderson. There are other people who are also born in 2000, and you can also see Roger Rai, who is also whose date of birth is same as Logan Anderson, 26/12/2000, and uh, uh, if organization wants to sort this record further, that option as well we can do, which we will see in a while. So now let's remove the filter that we have applied. And if you want to apply filter based on yearly income, which is of numeric data, and if management wants to find who is the person who is getting whose salary is highest in our organization, you can simply click on yearly income and click on A to Z. And now you can see the person who is actually getting the lowest um annual yearly income. And if you want to figure it out who is the highest person who is getting salary, you can click either on Z to A, which is descending. So now you can see there are some people from management and other professional. They are getting same salary, almost 170K. Uh, uh, who is almost getting 170K, like a lot of people around like 112 of them are getting almost in the same range. Now you can see like that. Now let's remove the sort applied in yearly income. Now we saw how to apply sorting for text, date, or numeric data individually to each of these columns. Now, if someone comes to you and if they give you a requirement like uh, sort all the customers' data, the first sort is through profession, is through occupation, followed by occupation in descending order, followed by uh, birth date, who is oldest in that particular uh, occupation, and followed by their name in descending, and followed by their yearly income. All these options you can do in one step. So let's do one by one. So first, this is how the record looks. If you want to sort all the records initially by occupation, click on A to Z as you want to see the records in ascending order, followed by their date of birth, birth date in the descending order, followed by their yearly income in ascending order, followed by their name in descending order. So you can see some records got sorted when we are applying, but most of the time like you can't notice because like it's very fast that you can't even see what it's got sorted, and you can see only few records on top. So now what it sort after we have applied sort, you can see on top how the records are sorted in the order. Like occupation, we have applied the sort initially, followed by a birth date, um, second option, followed by yearly income as third, and followed by name as fourth. So in a way, Power Query is showing how the records got sorted over here, either in ascending or descending, and their order as well. On top over here, you can see in a single line query in Power Query, like all these records got sorted through this single line. So this way you can apply sort to either one column or multiple columns. Everything gets sorted as well. For example, if you want to check whether this has worked properly or not, like click on any of the randomly, just select management, and you can see under management. So we know like we have applied for if you see, notice here we have applied occupation in ascending order, So you can see occupation uh, for further by birth date in descending order. So you can see under management, all the records got sorted. The first record is showing as the youngest person and in management, followed by the oldest person in the present in management. The third sort is based on yearly income as ascending. So if you see here, the third option, after it gets sorted by birth date, it further got sorted based on their yearly income. If you see any person having same date of birth, if you see any person having same date of birth and same occupation, how the records get sorted is based on their yearly income. So if someone has more yearly income or if someone has less yearly income, based on that the record gets sorted. The fourth sort is based on descending. Uh, like if you see on name, we have sorted as descending. So finally, if someone has same birth date, same yearly income under the occupation called management, they are further sorted based on the name, based on the name in descending order. So the person whose name starts with Z has more preference going on their record on top than the person who is having the name in A. So that's how sort option works in Power Query Editor, and this way you can apply sort to either one column or multiple columns. Thanks for watching.